July 22nd, 2025, Sniper Trade of the Day. This is Ken at tortoisecapital.net. So this is symbol USD, which is the ProShares triple leverage semiconductor. You'll recall that yesterday we preemptively sold open positions for big wins, concerned about short, sharp reversal moves. It closed weekly yesterday. That's our closing range 30, the last 30 minutes, excuse me. There was a gap down and a sell-off. It moved an R5 box from the opening and dropping, along with the whole market. So that's a standard short for us with an R5 70-cent risk box. It sold off immediately for 30 minutes, reached a intraday low here, started rebounding. Because that's such a windfall gain, we implement the keep 80% of a windfall gain exit, and so we end up getting out here. We get a 1, 2, 3 entry speculative after the RL10 reverses. Standard R5 risk box moves up smartly. We take a 1, 2, 3 exit at the skin of the dragon. That's about 6R. Pretty good day at work. It closed weekly the rest of the day. The S&P had a stronger close than tech and stronger than the semis. So I think if there's any market weakness tomorrow, this one has a good chance to resume the sell-off. And in any event, that weak close and its natural volatility makes it a natural candidate for continuation play tomorrow. That's Ken at Tortoise Capital with the Sniper Trade of the Day for July 22nd, 2025. Keep your risk measured and your powder dry.